This table, foreign key, references the table name and which column. So this one links to the warehouse. That's how the tables are linked. This is one example. I'm linking two tables with one table. In practical purposes, hundreds of tables linking to more hundreds of tables. So imagine the complexity, That's how people need a lot of Oracle DBAs to manage the databases. Some projects they may have 3 or 4, I have seen even 10 DBAs managing one huge database or multiple databases. It's called, when database grows big, it's called data warehouse. They'll have like 50 databases in one company. I have seen that. So this foreign key concept is called, you have to maintain the referential integrity. So this table is very important because it links two tables. I'll talk about in detail about referential integrity. This is a brief introduction how primary keys, foreign keys work. 3 tables here. Okay, we have created the table. What to do with the table? So you got to query the table. There are 4 basic operations. Data manipulation. Select data. Insert, if I want to insert a new row here or new row here, new row here, insert statement. Then you want to update. Sometimes I want to go here and say, okay, 105 tablecloth, it's not available. So I want to update Boolean yes to no. Okay, that's update. And after years go by, we don't need the old data. So you say delete. That's called purging of data. 4 basic operations. Select, insert, update, delete for any of these databases. Okay, in this video, I want to talk about the select statements. That's the first thing you want to do for any database. Simple select. I'm saying select. This is called a function. Oracle or any databases, they have general functions. Select count of CID from retail DB. Select from which table? This is the output. You'll get 8 rows. Select count of warehouse ID from warehouse, 8. Select count of cell link. Let's see how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows. 7 rows. It displays the rows. Okay, let's come here. You want to select distinct. Distinct is a qualifying clause. No duplicates. I'm saying just show me, select distinct values. If you see here, there are large, medium large, X large, medium large. I'm saying how many different kinds of sizes do we have in the table? So distinct, large, medium, XL. Only 3 sizes we have for this company right now. Later I can add one more insert and say small size. It will go there, S. So when you query this, it will show S here also. Okay, this is called, I'm going to introduce a new concept called joins. There are a lot of joins available, inner joins, outer joins. This is general joins. Okay, we have 3 tables. We have foreign keys. How do we write a query? Select. I'm saying, what do we want to select? So this query, what it does is, I want to find the date. I want to find the date of the products sold. Okay, by joining the tables. So I say select, yes, from which tables? Cell links, S. I'm putting an alias instead of writing the whole thing. See, I put S here. Instead of putting the whole thing, you save some characters, I always say minimize the code for faster execution and storage. Any language. It can be C or Java. Retail DB or warehouse W. So I'm going to say yes or W. Qualifying these 3 tables. Select what from which tables? These tables. Conditions. These are called conditions. Where you're joining by the CID. Remember I talked about CID is common between these 2 tables. Where S.CID equal to R.CID and that's one join. You're joining 2 tables. Second join is warehouse WHID and S.warehouse ID. See, joining this with that. So I'm linking all the 3 tables. 2 joins. Order by cell date. Usually it's ascending order. You can say descending order too. So what will happen is it's going to display all these things. January 2023. I said I want only the dates. So it's going to display 7 rows. If you follow these statements and put inside a table and execute, this is the output you will get for any database generally. This is one join I explained. Okay, it's called a query. Query with two normal joins, inner joins. This is second query. Select, I want to know the cloth name. How many green clothes are available? Sometime manager comes and asks, okay, we have a huge order for 1,000 green color clothes. We have so many warehouses, different parts of the country. I want to know how many green we have available now. Select or.cloth name from cell link yes, retail DB or warehouse all same tables, two joins. I'm saying or.color equal to G. See here how many we have. There is 1G, 1G. We have a men's t-shirt and kids pant, only two available. Those will be displayed. This is an example of a query, joining three tables, different warehouses. So I gave a brief introduction about the concept of how the query works in databases. In later videos, I'll explain more about the select, a concept called outer join. It's very powerful. And then I'll create more videos about each statement. Insert, how to insert, update, delete, purge data from any databases. This is general database concept. After this, I'll start creating after a few weeks about each databases. MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, SQL Server, MS Access. I'm going to go in detail about all these databases in the future videos. Thank you.